Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. I hope you all are doing great. In the last video, we learned about HTML forms validation. In today's class, we are going to learn a very important topic in HTML, SEO basics in HTML. Don't worry, this topic is very simple, but it is very useful for your website ranking on Google. What is SEO? SEO means search engine optimization. It helps you website appear on Google search result. First, let's let's understand this clearly. SEO means improving your website so that it can appear on Google search result. If you If your SEO is good, more people can find your website. Google can understand your content better. Your website can rank higher in search result. That means more visitor and more growth. Now, before learning SEO, let's quickly revise the basic HTML structure. Look at this line, doc type HTML tells the browser that we are using HTML5 and here HTML is the root element of our entire web page and this language attribute tells the browser which language our website is written in. So we are telling the browser and search engines that our website contain in English. Look at this line. Head tag used for information and SEO related tags. Body contains the visible content of the website. Now I'm adding title, learn web development, HTML tutorial. This title tag is very important because it appears in the browser tab and also in Google search results. So always write clear and meaningful title. Now let's move meta tags. These tags help with SEO. Look at this line, meta charset UTF-8. This ensures that all characters are displayed correctly on the web page. Next, I'm adding meta tag, meta, meta tag, and name attribute is description. Description. I'm adding content attribute. Content attribute is learn HTML step by step with practical examples for beginner. Examples for beginner. This tells Google what your website is about. This description is shown in Google search result. Next, I'm adding meta tag inside the head. Meta tag name attribute is keyword. Keywords. And I'm adding content attribute. Content attribute is HTML web development, web development, SEO basics. Earlier, earlier Google used keyword for ranking, but now their importance is very low. Still, we learn it for basic understanding. Now I am adding meta tag. Name attribute is author. Content attribute is code with Khan developer. This tells who created the website. Now I'm adding in welcome, welcome to my website. This is the visible part of the website that user can see. So basically, title and meta tag helps Google understanding your website better. So now our website is properly structured, SEO friendly at a basic level, ready to appear on Google. Let's quickly revise. SEO means search engine optimization. Title tag shows the website name. Meta tags provide information to Google. Remember, SEO is not only about meta tags, but these are the first step to make your website visible on Google. Now, your task is create your own HTML pages, add title and meta tags. Practice this concept again. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment in the comment section. I will help you. In the next class, we will start CSS. Whenever we will learn how to design website, add colors and create beautiful layouts. Keep practicing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next class.